Welcome back, everyone. If you're passionate about living a full, vibrant life, you're in the right place. For those of you in your 60s, 70s, 80s, or beyond, have you ever paused to consider that some daily habits might be silently harming your body? It's surprising, but the small things we do, like how we sit, what we eat, or even how we think, can add up over time, sapping energy, mobility, and overall well-being. In the US, where over 50 million seniors face age-related health challenges like heart disease or reduced mobility, these habits matter more than ever. Today, we'll uncover 8 harmful habits you should stop now to reclaim your health. From sitting too long to negative thinking, each habit impacts your body and mind. I'll explain each in simple terms, with practical steps you can start today, available at places like Walmart or your local grocery store. If these tips resonate, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical health advice. Let's dive in, starting at number 8 and working to the most critical habit to change for a healthier, happier life. Habit 8. Lack of daily movement. Many of us spend hours sitting or lying down, watching TV, reading, or relaxing at home. In the US, studies like those from the CDC show that 60% of adults over 60 don't get enough physical activity, leading to weak muscles, stiff joints, and poorer balance. Over time, this increases the risk of falls, which cause over 3 million ER visits annually among seniors. Lack of movement also slows circulation, raising heart disease risk, and can dampen mood and energy. Try small activities. Stand every hour, stretch during TV commercials, or take a 10-minute walk around your neighborhood. These boost blood flow, improve mood, and keep joints flexible. Susan, a 68-year-old from Ohio, started walking her dog twice daily and felt stronger within weeks. "My legs don't ache anymore," she said. Every step counts. How do you stay active? Share in the comments. Habit 7. Skipping healthy meals. Skipping meals, especially breakfast, is common but harmful. A 2019 Journal of Nutrition study found that skipping breakfast increases fatigue and blood sugar instability, affecting 25% of US seniors. Without fuel, your body lacks energy, vitamins, and minerals, leading to weakness and low mood. Irregular eating disrupts metabolism, raising risks for diabetes, with over 14% of Americans over 60 affected, per the CDC. Plan a simple breakfast. Oatmeal with berries or eggs with whole grain toast, available at stores like Kroger. Keep healthy snacks like apples or nuts handy. John, a 71-year-old from Texas, started eating a balanced breakfast and noticed steadier energy. "I'm not crashing by noon," he said. Do you skip meals? Type your breakfast go-to in the comments. Habit 6. Not drinking enough water. Water is vital for every body system, yet many seniors are chronically dehydrated. A 2021 Journal of the American Geriatric Society study found that dehydration affects 40% of older adults, causing tiredness, dizziness, or confusion. It impacts skin health, energy, and cognitive function, and worsens conditions like high blood pressure, common in 70% of US seniors. Keep a water bottle nearby and sip regularly, even if not thirsty. Aim for 8 to 10 cups daily, adjusting for activity or heat. Add lemon for flavor, available at any grocery store. Mary, a 66-year-old from Florida, carried a bottle and felt clearer-headed. "I didn't realize I was dehydrated," she said. How do you stay hydrated? Share your tips below. Habit 5. Overeating unhealthy foods. Comfort foods high in sugar, salt, or fat, like chips or soda, are tempting but harmful. The American Heart Association reports that diets high in processed foods contribute to heart disease, affecting 120 million Americans, and weight gain, with 40% of seniors obese. These foods lack nutrients, spiking blood pressure and cholesterol. Swap treats for fruits, vegetables, or whole grains. Try an apple instead of candy or air-popped popcorn over chips, found at Target or Walmart. Planning snacks helps. Robert, a 69-year-old from California, switched to fruit and saw his energy soar. "I feel lighter," he said. What's one healthy swap you'll try? Tell me in the comments. Habit 4. Ignoring sleep needs. Sleep is critical, yet many seniors skimp on it. A 2020 Sleep Journal study found that 30% of adults over 65 get poor sleep, leading to fatigue, foggy thinking, and a weaker immune system. Poor sleep also raises heart disease risk and affects mood, impacting quality of life. Create a sleep routine. Go to bed at the same time. Avoid screens an hour before, and keep your bedroom cool and dark. Linda, a 67-year-old from Georgia, stopped using her phone at night and slept better. I wake up refreshed, she said. Simple changes like a comfortable mattress from Costco help. How's your sleep? Share your routine in the comments. Habit 3. Skipping stretching or exercise. Regular movement keeps muscles and joints strong, but skipping it leads to stiffness and fall risks. The Journal of Gerontology notes that inactivity contributes to 20% of mobility issues in seniors. Without stretching or exercise, daily tasks become harder, and circulation suffers, increasing heart strain. Try gentle yoga, a short walk or morning stretches. 10 minutes daily makes a difference. Use free online videos or classes at local YMCAs. Tom, a 70-year-old from Illinois, started stretching and felt more flexible. I move easier now, he said. What's one exercise you'll add? Type it below. Habit 2. Neglecting regular health checkups. Many seniors skip doctor visits if they feel fine, but this risks missing early health issues. The CDC reports that routine checkups catch conditions like high blood pressure, affecting 70% of U.S. seniors, or cholesterol early, preventing complications. Regular visits allow medication updates and personalized advice. Schedule annual checkups to monitor blood pressure, cholesterol, and other markers. Discuss concerns with your doctor for tailored plans. Sarah, a 65-year-old from New York, caught high cholesterol early and adjusted her diet. I feel in control, she said. When was your last checkup? Share in the comments. Habit 1. Living with a negative mindset. The most critical habit to change is a negative mindset. Chronic stress or pessimism harms your heart, sleep, and overall health. A 2022 Journal of the American College of Cardiology study linked negative thinking to a 20% higher risk of heart issues in seniors. Negative thoughts increase stress hormones, making recovery harder. Practice gratitude. List 3 things daily that make you smile. Surround yourself with positive people and try meditation. Apps like Calm are widely available. James, a 72-year-old from Arizona, started journaling positives and felt happier. My days feel brighter, he said. What's one positive habit you'll try? Tell me below. Your health, your power. These 8 habits, sitting too long, skipping meals, dehydration, unhealthy eating, poor sleep, inactivity, neglecting checkups, and negative thinking, can hold you back from a vibrant life. But small changes like walking, eating balanced meals, staying hydrated, and thinking positively can transform your health. Available at U.S. stores like Target or through local resources, these steps are simple and effective. Start with one change today. Maybe a morning stretch or a glass of lemon water. It's never too late to feel stronger and happier. Which habit will you tackle first? Type it in the comments to inspire others. If this video gave you hope, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical, science-backed tips. Share this with friends or family who could use a health boost. Stay positive, stay active, and take care of yourself every day. See you in the next video.